Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, from beautiful sunny Piqua, Ohio. We're about in the 4th week of midwinter, and today I'm going to feature for you a 31V Forest River Vengeance toy hauler. Got a spot for the couple of batteries and a generator up front if you have one. And a large storage compartment. That's a table you see in there. 2 LP tanks. Plenty of diamond plate to keep the front of your aerodynamic toy hauler in nice shape. Cool idea that they're doing now. They're keeping the docking station nice and clean. Got your outside shower, cable, and satellite, city water, water fill, keeping it all under lock and key and keeping it in good shape. It's a Forest River. We got the nice Ram style system on the slide room. Nice deep slide room. Gives you plenty of interior space. Moving around here to the back. Excuse me. You see the ramp to get in. And on this unit, this gives you a lot of extra outside storage. You can, when you get these up and cabled, it's a patio. Keep your dogs on it. The dogs won't be able to get out. So it's, get a mental picture, it's level and has sides and a back on it. You can see all the sleeping arrangements in this unit. We'll look at them a little closer when we get inside. All the tie downs. At least 9 tie downs in there. And again, diamond plate all over the place, keep it in good shape. This unit's also got the screen. We'll get a good look at that from inside. Electric awning, very large. Outside entertainment area. There's your TV bracket. Couple of Sony marine type speakers. Gonna hold up to the weather and last longer. It's a gas electric direct spark ignition water heater, so all you're doing is pushing a button to get that started. Now this unit dry is 8227, and you can carry about 1,700 up to 1,720 pounds of cargo, including your toys and everything that you're taking food and clothes wise. It's a great feature right here, a battery disconnect. If you're not going to be in it for a week or 10 days, shut that off and the little gremlins won't steal your battery power. And give this a second to adjust to the lighting. You can see that this is a taller slide room. Got a beautiful recliner and couch. They recline on either end in the deep slide room with the wooden slat blinds. Great look. In the kitchen, we got a Norcold refrigerator, and this is an 8 cubic foot. That's the big one. TV spots above the fridge. 4 big closets up there. The 3 burner recessed. Gives you more counter space if you need. Sony Bluetooth stereo system. Plays inside and out. Bathroom with neo-angle shower. Nice bar across the top. It accentuates the room inside the shower. Sink. Cupboard, medicine cabinet. Again, very tall ceilings. Into the master bedroom. Walk around queen bed. Electric outlets and lights for each side. 4 cupboards above top and the tall coat closet on either side. And I believe that's a king size bed. Take a walk back into the garage and bunkhouse. That table I showed you outside will be a dinette in between these two in their couch position. This just flips over and rolls back. It's in a down position with the table in the middle be your dinette. Then you've got your electric bunk that goes up, and this is a storage container underneath. Let's see if I can get that open for you. Yep. So your guests have plenty of room. Smells good too. So you could sleep 2, 4, 6. Plus, if you had to use that beautiful recliner couch there, you could. But basically 6 people. There's the screen we were talking about outside. So you have full use of your patio. The door out of the bunkhouse toy room. There's also TV outlets out here. And here's a good picture of that ramp door patio system. LED exterior accent lights up underneath the awning. Internal LED strip lighting. There's a picture of how the lights look outside at night. Folks, give us a call at Paul Sherry RVs. The number's on the screen. You can email. A great crew of professional salespeople to take care of you. Don't let another year get away from you.